बता दें, कथित दिल्ली एक्साइज पॉलिसी घोटाले मामले में बीआरएस नेता के कविता की मुश्किलें बढ़ गई हैं। न्यायिक हिरासत खत्म होने पर कविता को दिल्ली कोर्ट में पेश किया गया, जहां उनको कोर्ट से बड़ा झटका लगा। दिल्ली कोर्ट ने के कविता की जो न्यायिक हिरासत है उसे 23 अप्रैल तक के लिए बढ़ा दिया है। कोर्ट में सीबीआई ने के कविता की हिरासत को आगे बढ़ाने की मांग की थी। इस दौरान सीबीआई ने दावा किया कि के कविता जानबूझकर सवालों का जवाब देने से बच रही हैं। वहीं दूसरी ओर के कविता ने कस्टडी बढ़ाने पर निंदा की। उन्होंने कहा कि ये सीबीआई की कस्टडी नहीं बल्कि बीजेपी की कस्टडी है।
కస్టడీ కాదు, బీజేపీ కస్టడీ. బయట బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడేది లోపల సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు. అడిగిందే అడుగుతున్నారు. 2 ఏళ్ల నుంచి నథింగ్ న్యూ.
Leader K. Kavita will again have to go back to Tihar jail as the court has remanded the leader to judicial custody till April 23rd. Remember, recently CBI had arrested K. Kavita from the Tihar jail. She was produced before the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, where she was remanded to 3 days of CBI's custody, which had concluded today. The CBI today moved again an application seeking 14 days of judicial custody for K. Kavita. However, the court has remanded K. Kavita till April 23rd to the judicial custody. Before the CBI's remand, CBI had moved one more application seeking interrogation of K. Kavita, and only after the interrogation had happened, CBI formally arrested K. Kavita in the Tihar jail itself. Now, in the remand note submitted today before the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, it was stated that K. Kavita has given evasive replies. She has not directly answered any question put to her. She has given contradictory statements. Even the material put forth her, she has discredited that material. The evidences has been discredited, and she has not at all cooperated in the investigation, and hence her custody is no more required at this stage right now.